Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly neighborhood foodie who usually decides dinner based on spice level and which restaurant has air conditioning.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who once ordered dessert before appetizers because, quote, why wait?
Today, we're talking about something that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi cookbook, Woohoo, a restaurant in Dubai that's being called the world's first AI chef-led dining experience. It's open now inside the Kempinski The Boulevard Hotel right in downtown Dubai, the future's favorite zip code.
Yeah, Woohoo isn't just any restaurant. It features Chef Aiman, an AI system trained on thousands of recipes, food science research, and global flavor combinations. The AI doesn't cook the food itself, yet, thankfully, but it designs the dishes, and human chefs bring them to life.
So imagine this. Your starter was dreamed up by data about texture, umami, acidity, and tradition, and your steak was seared by a human. It's like Silicon Valley meets Michelin Kitchen.
Exactly. The menu mixes influences, Japanese, Peruvian, Mexican, and each dish aims to balance flavor, texture, and surprise in ways even seasoned chefs might miss on their own. Think wagyu tataki with truffle ponzu, or ramen carbonara that your brain didn't even know it wanted.
And don't forget the experience. The interior is futuristic, with sleek lighting and interactive digital art that makes you feel like you walked into the dining room of a spaceship. There's even a private dining area called Spock, which honestly sounds like where Mr. Spock would have his birthday party.
But here's the clever bit. Chef Aiman isn't replacing human chefs, it's collaborating with them. Humans refine and actualize the AI's ideas, so you don't get, robot lasagna with 3D printed noodles.
The tech also helps with sustainability. AI can optimize ingredients to reduce waste and use seasonal produce in smart ways that minimize extras going into the bin. That's earth-friendly future eating.
Dubai's done it again. Luxury, tech, and now your dinner is invented by AI. Whether you go for the thrill, the flavor, or the sci-fi vibe, restaurants may never be quite the same.
So if you find yourself in Dubai and craving something that's part high-tech, part hot cuisine, Woohoo might just be your next delicious adventure.
That's all from Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time with more wild stories from tech and life.